The TC125 receives multiple technical upgrades for 2025 to maintain its position at the head of the highly competitive 125cc class. Updated bodywork and ergonomics offer riders improved ease of movement on the motorcycle, while its lighter chromium molybdenum frame, updated WP suspension, and revised rear shock linkage ensure improved comfort and cornering. Light and strong wheels, which are assembled using D.I.D rims, are fitted with race-tested Dunlop MX34 tires for stability and improved traction. Premium ProTaper handlebars offer a confidence-inspiring steering feel. For 2025, the TC125 is completed with stunning white and blue graphics that are applied using in-mold technology for a long-lasting finish. ProTaper handlebar developed between Husqvarna Motorcycles and leading handlebar manufacturer, ProTaper. The exclusive bend offers superior comfort. ODI grips. ODI lock-on grips feature an innovative fuel tank. A 7.2-liter fuel tank integrates neatly with the ergonomic bodywork and features an updated rubber cushion beneath it to protect against wear from the frame. Engine performance in the highly competitive 125cc class. Produce more torque while retaining its high revving two-stroke character. The cylinder features a 54mm bore and an innovative electronic exhaust control system. High-pressure die-cast production processes allow for the crankcases to be manufactured. The diaphragm steel (DS) clutch fitted to the TC125 features a unique design. Frame. For 2025, the frame around the shock mount and steering head has less material, with revised wall thickness in higher stress areas improving overall strength. Frame is finished with a premium metallic blue powder coating. Subframe. Made from 60% polyamide and 40% aluminium, the two-piece subframe ensures exceptional strength. The upper triple clamp is stiffer to ensure a smoother fork action and plays a vital role in the perfect alignment of the front wheel for superior handling. The 48mm WPX-ACT forks have been revised for 2025 to work with the new frame, reducing weight while providing more flex. The settings are easily adjusted via the single air pressure preload valve, as well as through easy access click adjusters for compression and rebound. The WPX-ACT rear shock offers 293mm of travel. Inside is a computational fluid dynamics (CFD) optimized main piston. Airbox. The twin air filter is easily accessed without tools, by simply removing the left side panel for easy maintenance. Hydraulic clutch. The high-performance Brembo hydraulic clutch system guarantees even wear. Map switch. The electronic fuel injection (EFI) on the TC125 offers two engine maps to suit different track conditions. Start/stop switch. The combined engine start/stop switch is located on the right side of the handlebar for easy. Hydraulic brakes. The highest level of quality is guaranteed as the class-leading Brembo brake calipers are made from single-piece aluminium for exceptional strength at the lowest possible weight. Swing arm. The swing arm is manufactured using a die-cast production process for optimal rigidity, to optimize and match the flex characteristics of the new chassis. Wheels and tires assembled with CNC machined hubs, lightweight spokes, and strong, black anodized alloy rims by D.I.D. The wheels of the TC125 offer strength and minimal unsprung weight. New Dunlop MX34 motocross tires. The new bodywork has been designed to allow riders to perform at their very best for extended periods of time. Following countless hours of testing and refinements, the larger contact points and surfaces in the rider triangle enhance comfort, which in turn helps to reduce fatigue.